Students, let us learn the expression for kinetic energy. Suppose a stationary object of mass m moves because of an applied force. Let u be its initial velocity. Here u is 0. Why? Because it is the starting velocity. So u is 0. Let the applied force be F. This generates an acceleration A in the object, and after the time t, the velocity of the object becomes equal to v. That is the final velocity. u was the initial velocity, म्हणजे startingची velocity. v is the final velocity. This displacement during this time is s. The work done on the object, that is work, the formula is equal to force into displacement. Work is equal to force into displacement. According to Newton's second law of motion, force formula is mass into acceleration. This is our equation first. Now S is equal to ut plus half at square, which we have solved as a Newton's second equation in the lesson motion. Okay. However, as the initial velocity is 0, means u is equal to 0, which we will substitute into u. See, we have substituted 0 into u. So S is equal to 0 into t plus half at square. Therefore S is equal to, when anything multiplied by 0, it becomes 0 only. So 0 plus half at square, that is S is equal to half at square. This is our equation second. Now work is equal to ma into half at square. Why ma? Because force itself is m into a, and S is equal to half at square, which we got from the second equation. So first equation and second equation we got as work is equal to ma into half at square. So work is equal to half m into at square. This is our third equation. That is, we have taken a into a, that is a square, and t is already t square. So half m at square. Using the Newton's first equation of motion, what will happen? See, v is equal to u plus at. Therefore v is equal to u plus at. That is, v is equal to, as u was 0, so only v is equal to at. V square is equal to at square, that is 4th. Now w is equal to half mv square. Why mv square? See, because w is equal to half m at square. At square itself is v square. So half mv square. Using the equation third and fourth, we got this, that is w is equal to half mv square. The kinetic energy gained by an object is the amount of work done on the object. That is, kinetic energy itself is work. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, which we got here. Work is equal to what? Half mv square. So kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So you have thoroughly known about the kinetic energy. So this was the expression for kinetic energy. Thank you.